And then seeing this final film, it's almost like a little bit of a dream come true, I have to say. And I believe in your talent, and I believe in all your abilities. And I knew that when you got this assignment to come up with your own film, you guys would be able to do it. I knew that you had the creativity. I knew that you knew exactly what you had to do. So I'm just very excited to show you guys what you guys have done, because you make me super proud.
Miss Ryan?
Yes?
You're an amazing teacher. Whatever your director taught you when you were a kid, you're an amazing teacher. Both of you.
Thank you, Everett.
Round of applause for Miss Ryan.
Woo-hoo.